Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Bahasa with Maher, and still with me also Pak Yuddy as a guest. Now we're going to learn about prefix ber in bahasa. Ber is a prefix in Bahasa Indonesia that plays a crucial role in the formation of verbs. Understanding how to use it effectively can enhance your language skills. Here's a detailed look at the ber rules. Definition and function. The prefix ber is used to form verbs that indicate actions performed by a subject, states of being possessing certain characteristics. Common uses of ber. A. Indicating action. Contoh, example, berlari, to run, bermain, to play. B. Indicating state or condition. Contoh, example, berkembang, to develop, berdiri, to stand. C. Indicating possession. Contoh, bersaudara, to have siblings, bermata, having eyes. Formation rules. A. Base words. The prefix ber is typically added to the root words, which are usually nouns or adjectives. The root word often indicates the action or state. B. Vowel harmony. If the root word starts with A, E, or I, the prefix ber is usually retained without modification. Examples, berani, to be brave, bersih, to be clean. If the root starts with the consonant, ber is added directly. Example, berkendara, to drive, berbicara, to speak. Intransitive versus transitive verbs. Intransitive, verbs that do not require a direct object. Contoh, dia berlari, he runs. Transitive, some verbs can take a direct object. Contoh, dia bermain bola, he plays soccer. Examples of ber in sentences. Dia sedang berlari di taman. He is running in the park. Mereka suka bermain bersama. They like to play together. Kota itu berkembang pesat. The city is developing rapidly. Exceptions and variations. There are some exceptions and irregular verbs. Bercerita, to tell a story, does not follow the typical pattern. Some verbs have specific meanings when combined with ber. Practice using ber. To master the use of ber, practice by forming sentences. Here are some prompts. Describe an action you enjoy using a ber verb. Write a proverb about the state of you often find yourself in using ber. Conclusion. The ber prefix is essential for forming verbs in Bahasa Indonesia, conveying actions, conditions, and states. By mastering its rules and applications, you'll significantly improve your understanding and communication skills in the language. Terima kasih.